Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 29th of May. We are glad to present our weekly analytical review for the major Forex instruments. Last week the euro-dollar pair traded within the range of 1.1260 and 1.1160. At the moment the key level for the bears is the lower border of the range. In case of the breakdown of the level of 1.1160, the price can lower further to 1.11 and 1.1040 and return into the upward channel. Otherwise, the growth can restore and develop to the level of 1.1370 in case of the breakout of 1.1260. Technical indicators reflect the lowering. MACD histogram is decreasing in the positive zone, stochastic is directed downwards. The May US employment market data, Fed's beige book publication and the German and European Union market manufacturing PMI publications can cause high volatility in the market. In general, the lowering can continue after the breakdown of the level of 1.1160, otherwise the pair will continue to trade within the specified range. Last week the pound-dollar pair weakened to the lower border of the upward channel and now is trying to grow. In case of the breakout of the level of 1.2885, with Fibonacci correction 61.8%, the price can grow to the level of 1.30 and 1.31. Otherwise, the price will leave the channel and lower to the levels of 1.2720 and 1.2630. Technical indicators do not give a clear signal. MACD histogram is decreasing in the positive zone, stochastic reached the oversold area, which can cause the reversal. As for the fundamental news, the traders should pay their attention to the UK market manufacturing PMI. The growth of the pair is possible after the breakout of the level of 1.2885. Last week the dollar-yen pair tried to cross the upward border of the downward channel, but still in vain. At the moment the price is around the level of 111.20, which coincides with Fibonacci correction 38.2%. Breakout of this level will allow the price to lower further to the levels of 109.90 and 109. If the price crosses the upward border of the channel around 111.85, the growth to the levels 112.90 and 113.85 is possible. Technical indicators don't give a clear signal. The volumes of MACD histogram are insignificant, but stochastic is reversing downwards. As for the fundamental news, the traders should pay their attention to April Japan retail sales and industrial production data. The further lowering is possible after the breakdown of the level of 111.20. At the moment, the Australian dollar-US dollar pair is trading near the Fibonacci levels cluster around 0.7440. In case of breakdown, the pair can return into the downward channel and lower to the level of 0.7380 and 0.7330. Otherwise, the growth to the level of 0.7520 is possible. Technical indicators do not give a clear signal. MACD histogram volumes are insignificant, but stochastic is directed downwards. As for the fundamental news, the traders should pay their attention to April retail sales data publication in Australia. In general, the lowering is more likely, but the growth is not excluded. Gold prices continue to grow slowly. They consolidated above the level of 1264, which can promise the movement up to the level of 1277 and 1292. Otherwise, the price will try to return to the middle line of the Bollinger Bands to the area of 1248 and 1242. Technical indicators are still reflecting the growth. MACD histogram is growing in the positive zone. Stochastic is directed upwards. In general, the further growth will likely develop, but the lowering in case of breakdown of the level of 1264 is not excluded. That's all for today and good luck with your trading.